for more than 1 million children tomorrow. One of the real fears as we head into this evening, the winds up to 75 miles an hour and the power now a real concern. In Boston tonight, where authorities are urging everyone to take these blizzard warnings seriously.
It should not be taken lightly.
Travel ban for the entire state.
Please remain home and remain off the roads.
Thousands of state workers told to stay home. Schools canceled. State officials shutting down roads tonight for everyone except emergency vehicles. The storm expected to dump up to 30 inches in some areas with winds gusting to 75 miles per hour.
Pretty sweet driving through Boston. All of a sudden you see a spot that you think could be rideable or skiable, and all of a sudden head pokes up from above and someone's already hitting it. So there's definitely a lot of crews out.
It's the Sandy Boville Show with Sandy Boville. Today, Sandy Boville's gonna go down a slide on his skis.
Recess is in session. I came from Denver, but before that, Utah, and I finally see where all the snow is, because we don't have it back home. It's all here. It just keeps snowing here. How are they?
Oh, like weird. It's like eating a sausage without eating a sausage.
Really?
This world out here is lonely and cold. This world out here is so lonely and cold.